Good afternoon guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Today's video may kasama akong foreigner galing sa, where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu. You know Tamil Nadu?
Welcome back to
This
Jinko's
is
channel.
welcome to
Jinko's channel.
Jinko's channel. Welcome to Jinko's channel.
Please subscribe
Please subscribe
to Jinko's channel.
Jinko's channel and put your finger in like button.
Okay.
This is Karpya Rajan. So you can call me KP. So basically I am from Tamil Nadu in India. So we are working together in this office. I am also HSC officer.
हिंदी बात करो भाई.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, नमस्ते. कैसे आप लोग सब? गुड गुड गुड.
दूसरा आदमी आशिल भाई आ जाओ. Say hi to my blog.
Hi guys.
Channel. Welcome to Jinko's channel.
Welcome to Jinko's channel. Please subscribe
let's go.
and like.
Very good.
I'm also from India. I'm from Kerala.
केरला. बहुत अच्छा आदमी है. बाद में please watch our mukbang show.
We will come back.
Welcome back.
Come back.
Bye bye. At ito na, dumating na. This is it, pansit. Ang food. What is your food?
Yeah, I just
Show karo.
ordered 2 naans
Yeah.
and 1 beef, tawa
Okay.
masala,
And
and this one is hummus.
hummus. Then this enough.
No, I don't know enough because I ordered 2 naans, but it comes to barota.
Okay, koy masla nahi hai. I will give you rice.
Okay, we will sharing.
Share. So this is avocado. Meron tayong avocado. Ayun, sana hindi maglasang gatas kasi kahapon naglasang gatas, hindi, parang hindi avocado. Hindi talaga avocado. Okay. Meron tayong rice with ano ba yung order ko? Fish. Ito. Rice with fish. So we will take half on this.
sharing.
Where is your daba? Ano daba?
No dabba.
Fine. Okay. We have tinatawag nating fish biryani. Malabar.
See this is
Malabar daw, malabar. And
beef.
this is
beef. Tawa masala. Tawa
kaya
masala.
kaya bolte?
Tawa masala.
Tawa masala daw ito. Kaya pala maraming masala mantika. Pero masarap, mukhang masarap. This hotel Saningi, no spoon. We did not give any spoon.
Just took one picture of this.
Take picture and send.
You need barota?
No need parota, only I need rice.
Finish, please.
मच्छी चाहिए? क्यों नहीं चाहिए भाई? यार.
You take this. Beef also.
Okay. Give me.
You can try this one.
Oh,
This is
class.
Good.
Class. हो गया.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Beef tawa.
Beef tawa plus biryani. Fish biryani. Kain tayo guys.
Hi.
Kain na.
We are so hungry.
Medyo na The food is late, no?
Yeah, food is late today.
Today is both hungry, First bite, guys. Mm.
Good.
Good. Tasty, ah.
Tomorrow we can try this one. Yeah.
Good, ah.
Good.
Food. Tasty, ah. But spicy.
It's good na beef tawa masala.
Kawama masala. Too much color, ah. Red color.
And spicy also.
What is this? Okay. It's good, but spicy.
You like spicy?
Spicy चाहिए ना. Masarap, pero sulit sa anghang. Oh yeah. Try nyo guys. Try nyo. Sarap. Manghang. Wow. Wow.
Oh wow.
Just say it. Anghang
Oh anghang.
means too much spicy.
Oh anghang. But good. It's good.
Your food always spicy, huh? You cannot eat without chili.
Yeah, normally not like this. Some people like more spicy. Some people didn't not too much like this spicy.
So
It comes medium.
medium.
Yeah.
How about your partner? Also like spicy?
Not like that. He also medium.
Medium, huh? The taste is good. avocado. But it's good. Now it's avocado, not milk.
This is avocado?
Yesterday, did not finish that one because it's
It's very hard like
very. No, it's not avocado. It's milk.
milk. So this one is avocado.
This is avocado. Good. Like this. This also
I have sweet.
milk, sweet. You take this all. See. Tomorrow, what is the plan for the food?
This one?
You will order again, same?
We'll see.
Not enough, huh? Shout out sa mga kasama namin dyan. Nasa Iwahig, Alomira Island. Hi sa inyo lahat dyan. Kita-kits soon. Do you have any friends to shout out? Shout out to your friends, your family, your girlfriend, your baba in your place.
Yeah.
Just
Hi,
shout out to
my
them.
mother, my father,
Yeah,
my friends,
your friends,
my relatives,
your brother, sister.
my brother. I have no sister. I have one brother.
Brother, okay,
He's in Qatar.
okay.
My girlfriend.
Say it na yan.
Hi, hi.
Ah,
Please support this Jinko's channel. I will come very soon.
soon, I will see you soon.
I will
huh?
see you soon.
No sweet messages or
Bye.
only that, Kalas?
Finish.
Finish, ha?
Finish.
Best regards.
Best
Kitty.
regards. Katie.
Ayun na guys, thank you. At kami
Thank you,
kumain.
thank you.
Tapos na. Medyo nakapos kami sa pagkain kasi medyo ano pa, bago pa yung restaurant. So see you na lang sa next upload namin, next video namin. So maraming salamat guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you,
Please
thank you, thank you.
share, like, and subscribe to Jinko's channel. Huwag kalimutan ipindutin ang notification bell.
Press.
Press, ha? Paano? Bye bye. Thanks for watching.